So hello guys, are you afraid of speaking English? Want to speak English fluently? क्या आपको भी लगता है कि आपका इंग्लिश सुन के लोग आपका इंसल्ट करेंगे? Does your leg shiver while delivering something in English? Don't worry, you have came to the right place where you can learn English and speak it confidently within 30 days. Welcome guys to another new video on my YouTube channel Learning Hacks. So today we are going to discuss how to speak English fluently within 30 days. Because every one of us know that speaking English fluently has become very essential in our competitive life. In every aspect of our life we need English. Example, starting from a multinational job to running a shop, we need English in every step. Many of us dream to learn English, but they don't get the proper instruction, and after few days they give up. So the bad times are over, my friend. This video will help you to learn English in the easiest possible manner. I will provide you a few steps and tricks regarding how to learn English fluently, which you need to follow regularly. So let's check it out. Number 1. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because humans are made to make mistakes and learn from it. Many people think they will make mistake and they stop, they don't try. So try speaking English. Whatsoever you know, just try it. Don't bother what other will say, what other will think. Just be confident enough and go on. Try it. So number 2 is practice, practice and practice. All of us know the famous lines that practice makes a man perfect. So go on practicing, not once, not twice, but several times. You need to practice and practice. At the beginning, you'll make mistake, but for sure, you're gonna be successful soon. Don't give up, cause when you fall, then only you get the real taste of happiness when you rise. So keep practicing. Number 3 is listen. Always listen carefully when someone else speaks in English. Listening is one of the key role which help in learning English. If you don't have such environment where people speak English, start listening through YouTube, audiobooks, etc., which will help a lot to standardize your language. More you will get new words to learn. You can even listen to my earlier videos. They are also in English. Hopefully you can learn from that also. At number 4 it comes celebrate your success. After listening to this, you might laugh by thinking what to celebrate in learning English. So let me clarify your doubt about this, my friend. Here celebration doesn't mean doing party. Here celebration means expressing your happiness with your family, friend, etc. Example, today you have delivered a speech quite fluently, so you should celebrate. It will help you getting motivated, and also it will help you to improve for the next time. Number 5. Think in English. Always think that how can you improve your language? Question yourself and try thinking the answer. Try thinking new sentence. It will help you a lot to focus in your goal, that is to learn English fluently. Number 6. Talk to yourself. Again, this is another one which you might think that it is an weird tip, but trust me, personally, this has helped me a lot in improving my English fluency. Whenever you sit in a place idle, doing nothing, just think of a topic and start speaking it to yourself. This will help you in analyzing yourself, that how your English fluency is improving. Last it comes learn a new word daily, which helps you in improving your vocabulary, and it will also help you in decorating your sentence even more beautifully. You can learn new word from dictionary, or else every day I put a new word in my description. You can check it out and learn from here also. Follow all the tips and tricks. Hope so you will be able to speak English fluently within 1 month. So before going, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubt, just drop a comment below. I'll try my level best to help you. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Until next video, stay tuned, stay well.